Hello lovelies, it's Ada's Recipes here. How you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious okra soup with oil bean, aka Ugba. Continue watching as I share this deliciousness with you. Okay, so here I have the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this delicious soup. Now the first thing you're going to do is to wash your okra very well and cut your okra. So here we're done cutting the okra. So next, pour in some water, like enough to cook your soup. Add your stockfish, your offal, that is cow intestine. Then add some seasoning cubes, salt, and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the beef, then kpomo, that is if it's not too hard. Okay, so at this stage you add it if it's not too hard, but if it's too hard, add it at the beginning, then cook for like 7 to 8 minutes. Then this is dry catfish, crayfish and pepper. Then leave to cook for 5 minutes. So next, add palm oil, then add the Ugba or oil bean. So to get the taste and flavor of this Ugba, okay, make sure the Ugba has stayed like 1 week. Okay, that is if it stays longer days, you tend to get the taste and flavor. So leave for like 7 to 8 minutes. So this soup is very easy to prepare. Add seasoning cube, salt, then give it a good stir. So next, add the cut okra, give it a mix. So make sure you incorporate the okra. Guys, are you seeing the soup? Oh my goodness. So cover and leave for about 3 minutes. Then add the shredded ugu leaves. So guys, like I said, this soup is very easy to prepare. Like if you've not tested this for the first time, just try it out. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. It's called Ofe Ugba in the eastern parts of Nigeria. Okay, but if you've not tested it for the first time, that doesn't mean that if you're a Yoruba or Hausa or Igbo, you cannot try it out. Guys, just try this recipe. You're going to love it. So leave it to boil for about 2 more minutes, and guys, you're good to go. Are you seeing this? Oh my goodness. So what are you having this with? So delicious soup is already ready. So check the description and don't forget to like, share and as well subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day.